In this video, I will show you how you can sync your Stripe customers with drip marketing automation software automatically. So what will happen every time the customer will make any payment of your product via Stripe payment gateway, the same customers will be added as a subscriber into our drip marketing automation software. So if you also want to sync all your paid customers of Stripe with the drip software, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to build an integration in Stripe payment gateway application and this drip marketing automation software. And I'm going to connect these two with the Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software. And here you can see I am already logged in this dashboard. Okay. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, you'll have to firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide any random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as sync Stripe customers with drip software automatically. Now click on create and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new payment is made by customer in Stripe payment gateway application, then automatically add that customer details in drip marketing automation software in drip application. Okay, so I have selected both these application. Now I'm going to connect these two applications with the Pabbly Connect to one by one. Okay, so firstly you will have to select a trigger event. So I'll go with this particular trigger event because I want that whenever a new customer is added in Stripe, the details should be collected via Stripe, or you can say this automation should trigger. Now here you can see after selecting the trigger event, we have this webhook URL and few set of instructions. So firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL and then we will go back to our Stripe payment gateway dashboard. Okay, and make sure that this test mode should be enabled if you are working into the testing mode. Okay, now click on developer section, then click on webhooks option, and here exactly we are going to add a new endpoint URL. Okay, I repeat, you will have to add a new endpoint URL. Okay, so here exactly I'm going to paste the same URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect, and now you'll have to select the trigger event which is mentioned in this particular description in this particular instruction. All right, so it is clearly saying that you will have to choose this customer dot created. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is customer dot created. All right, so here we have the same event which I have selected. Click on this add event button and then click on this final add endpoint button. Then this is how the connection in between Stripe and Pabbly Connect will be successful. Now in order to test whether this connection is working fine or not, you'll have to make a dummy submission into your Stripe payment gateway. But before that, we will read these instructions. So here you can see Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so what is the note here? Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission clearly means making of a basically creation of a new customer in Stripe payment gateway dashboard. Okay, so this is my Stripe account and here I'm going to open a random product and then I'm going to make a dummy purchase of that product, and then you will see in front of you how the customer details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. All right, so this is the spoken English notes. Okay, I'm going to make a dummy purchase. So this is the payment link. Let me copy and paste the same link in completely a different tab. Okay, alright, so this is the spoken English note which is actually of 2000 rupees, and here I will add some dummy details. Alright, so I have provided the email address as demo@pabblydudes.com. Here I have provided a dummy phone number, that is 93333, and in order to make this payment I will use some dummy credit card details. Alright, so these are the details. Now I am going to provide a random CVV. Click on pay now, and this is how your payment will be successful in Stripe payment gateway. Alright, so here you can see the response is already received. Here we have the type as customer.created. Here we have other details also of that transaction. So here we have the phone number, the name of the customer, and the same email address which I have provided at the time of payment. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Stripe and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, what will happen, every time someone is going to make a payment for this specific spoken English notes product, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Now moving further, once you will capture the details here, I'm going to send this data into my drip marketing automation software. So I have already selected this application, and in the action event I'll choose this create or update subscriber, since I wanted to add new subscribers in this drip software. Simply click on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token and the password. So from where you can get this token, you'll have to visit this particular documentation, and here you will have to scroll down and you will get your token. Alright, so this is the token which I have copied. Come back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same token. Now it is asking for the password of your drip application. Alright, so I have also provided the password and have clicked on save, and here you can see my drip application is also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now in the account ID, PabsCon is already got selected. Now it is asking for the name, the last name, the email address, and the main address. Okay, so I'm going to provide only the important details which are actually required in order to create a subscriber in drip. Okay, so how about I firstly provide the name. So from where I'm going to provide this data, remember we have just received the data into our previous step, and don't worry, I don't even need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I just need to map this data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. You just need to click on this field and you will find the above step response here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for the name of the customer, that is demo customer. Okay, so I have mapped it. Now I will provide the email address of the person. So how about I directly search it with the help of @. Alright, so here we have the email address of the person, and I think I have already provided the important details. So how about I directly click on this button save and send test request, and you will see the same person will be created as a subscriber into our drip marketing automation software. Alright, so the response is already received. Let us go back to our drip software and let me refresh this software. And here you can see demo@pabblytudes.com. The same person has been created as a subscriber into drip. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone is going to make a payment for this particular product, the details of that person will be added as a subscriber into drip. And in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once, just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this automation inside my description box. You just need to click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And let me tell you a very important thing, that whatever the details we have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. I repeat that these details will be replaced automatically, but just in case, in place of mapping, if you will provide any data manually like this, these details will remain same. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a significant role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.